Hello there, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Bliss. If you're new tuning in, just a quick warm welcome. I'm so delighted that you decided to stop in and check out today's video. I hope that you stick around and subscribe, hit that bell notification, and give this particular video a great big thumbs up in support of your girl. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into today's video. So hey you guys, so it's the new year and I'm so happy you guys that we've made it through and starts up the new year. I am trying to continue to encourage healthy hair growth. I know I can't speed along the process because it's just different for everybody, but I definitely want to use products that will encourage that. So to kick off the new year and supporting me in growing healthy, stronger hair, I am going to be utilizing this product that I found online. And this is the Visage Hair Growth Serum. Okay, you guys, so last year I was looking online for a product that could help me encourage hair growth. I did experience some issues with my hair when I took down my last set of locks. And so that was why you guys saw me with a lot of protective hairstyles, just to help me keep my hands out of my hair, but to also allow my hair to do its thing. And while my hair has grown a lot, I'm still looking for a little bit more. So I went online and I was able to find this particular product. I had never heard of this product before, but I was optimistic and decided to go ahead and give this particular product a try. Now, I haven't started using it yet, so the purpose of today's video is to share with you the product that I will be using. This will be a small series of videos, so this one will kick off the series regarding hair growth using the Visage. So one of the reasons that I decided to go ahead and give this product a try is because it does quite a few things that really sparked my interest. It prevents hair loss, it promotes hair growth, it repairs hair follicles, and make weak hair thicker and balance oil secretion. Okay. Some of the ingredients in this serum consist of ginseng, old ginger extract, angelica, black sesame, ginkgo, vitamin E, and water. And it has quite a few other ingredients as well, but I think the ginseng is what really caught my eye, because I don't know if I've ever read any hair products that consisted of ginseng. So I thought that was very interesting. Anyway, you guys, moving right along, it does come in a small bottle such as this. It is about a 1 floral ounce. I am going to be honest with you, I don't like the smell whatsoever. I don't like it. Don't like it. I don't like it. Before I continue on about the scent, you guys, it does come with one of these little tops here. And I'm going to explain the purpose of why it comes in a top like that shortly. But it does. It comes with one of those medicine succular tops. That's what I refer to it as. I'm sure it's a proper name for it, but I just don't know. The smell of this product is awful. And that's just keeping it real with you. It smells, I don't want to offend anyone, but it smells, it just smells weird. Excuse me. The texture is that of a serum. And I don't know how I feel about it. I don't know if you guys can see. According to the directions, this product is extremely easy to use, which will kind of put us back to the scent. So according to the directions, You will apply 2 to 3 drops into your shampoo, and you will lather it into your hair, and then you will wash your hair, rinse your hair out as normal. So going back to the scent, since that is the case, I am hoping, you guys, that this scent will not linger, that the smell of the shampoo will overpower the smell of this serum. I'm excited to at least give this product a try and see how it does in my hair. I'm excited to keep you guys abreast on the status of me using this particular product. But if any of you are interested in knowing where I got this from, in the event I have some successful results and you want to give this product a try, I actually purchased this off Amazon and I caught it on sale for $9.99. I can't remember what the average price is. If you decide to go on Amazon and purchase you some, the price could differ. If you have tried Visage hair serum, let me know down in the comment section below what your thoughts were about it. Did you receive positive results? Now, on Amazon, when I read a lot of the reviews, I saw a lot of positive reviews. So I hope that I have a positive experience as well. That concludes today's video, you guys. I'll see you tulips in the next one. Smooches.